Saran, tell me a story. Hello friends, my name is Sarahan. I speak a story on Balu and his boss. Once there lived a rich man in a small village. He had a servant. His name was Balu. One day, boss, his servant said, "Go and get me some sweet apple from the market." Balu went to the fruit shop. He asked for sweet apples. Shopkeeper said, "Brother, all these apples are sweets. All this, how many do you want to buy?" Balu said, "Give me six apples, but let me taste them first. But let me taste them first. But let me taste them." The shopkeeper gave an apple. He tasted it. It's good and sweet. It's good and sweet. He put them back and returned home with those apple. With those apple, he put the bag of apples before the master. The master saw this. He is very angry. He was very angry. He was very angry. He said, "Balu, who ate this apple? Who ate this apple?" He replied, "Sir, sir, sir, you wanted a sweet apple, so I taste all of them. So I taste all of them. If I have done any mistake, so I am very sorry." Right.